we're on to recipe number 3, and this is one you're super jazzed about. This is baked turkey, pineapple, and jalapeno spring rolls. Now, there are a few steps that go along with this, but that can be fun too. What are we gonna do?
Yep, perfect. Absolutely worth it for these few steps.
Few steps, but worth it. Okay.
I'm going to start with a little oil in the pan here, and then I'm going to put in my coleslaw right away. So we want to cook this down. This is just from a salad bag mixture, nice and easy, no chopping required. And then we're going to put in the star of the show, which is our Butterball boneless breast roast turkey.
Turkey.
It's so delicious and it's great in this dish. And I really love using it. Not only is it the turkey raised without antibiotics, but this is a really cool fact. This product is actually prepared here locally in southeastern Manitoba.
And it's one of those cool things, you can make it and serve it as is, or then, you know, you get to also use it in these cool recipes that you've come up with for us today, Amanda.
Exactly.
Right on.
Wonderful. So as the turkey and coleslaw mixture cooks, we're going to add in some finely diced pineapple.
There's the pineapple.
Oh, smell
it's right
that.
there in the name of the recipe.
And then the next thing in the name of the recipe is our jalapeno.
Jalapenos. Yeah.
Wonderful.
We're doing it right.
We're doing it right. And then this one isn't in the name, but just as good, the garlic. Wonderful.
I think that's just kind of understood. I don't think we make actually many recipes that don't have garlic in them, so
no.
Nice. Okay.
Perfect. Look how beautiful that's looking with the turkey and the jalapeno and the pineapple. And then we're going to add our last ingredient for the filling here.
Which is?
So this is a slurry that I've made with cornstarch, soy sauce, and oyster sauce.
Okay.
So let's get some good flavor in here. Oh, you're right. I do need this.
That.
You were anticipating my needs before I knew them. So we can mix that up over here.
Okay.
And again, it's smelling lovely. It's smelling great. The turkey and the jalapeno and the pineapple will just taste so wonderful together. So as you're stirring that up, I'm going to get prepared over here to roll the spring rolls.
Yeah, because you do not fire these into the wrap when they're hot. That's not going to work. So you've got, pre-prepared cool version of what we've just made.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we don't want to roll this with the hot turkey mixture. Unfortunately, if we do, your spring rolls will have a tendency to burst. That's okay if they do. They're still delicious, but if you want to keep them picture perfect, this is how you're going to do it. So I have here under a wet towel our spring roll wrapper. So I'm just going to put it here like a triangle. And again, there's no pressure on me, right?
Well, I was going to say that, you know what, never mind, I'm not going to say it.
No.
Because you're gonna just nail this. That's
Perfect.
what's gonna happen.
Great, so I'm gonna take the Butterball boneless turkey breast roast mixture here, and I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls right in the middle of our spring roll wrapper. Great.
If I was doing this, then you'd need to be stressing. But you're gonna be...
Again, nothing has to look perfect because it's going to taste good no matter what.
The thing is, it's just so fine. It's like
yes.
it looks so delicate.
It
so I'm
is.
very interested to see how you do this.
So
okay.
that's in the middle of our spring roll wrapper, and we're going to fold it over right here. Perfect. Well, not quite so perfect, but you know what? That's fine. So we're going to kind of put that like there.
The idea is that you would bring it all the way to the edge,
in
right?
a perfect world.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
In a perfect world. Perfect. Like that. And now we're going to fold over our ends here. And again, not too tight. We want to give it a little bit of room in here.
Okay.
And then we're just simply going to roll, keeping it nice and pressed like that.
You know what? Okay. I think even I can handle that.
I'm pretty sure you could.
Yeah. Okay.
Great. And then we would just spray our pan here with a nice little spritz of oil, and then we would put our spring roll in there. And again, a pan full of spring rolls would be ideal. And then another spritz, because again, we don't have to flip them in the oven. They're
That's
like low touch.
That's kind of a cool hack that because I just assumed that you would have to flip them, but you're saying, you know, if you've got it, if you spray it down like once they're on the pan, then there's no need to have to.
Exactly.
To do that.
Nice and quick and easy. And we would put this in the oven at 325 and bake them for about 20 minutes, and they'll come out nice and crispy. And I think we have some ready to
We do.
get out the oven.
We do.
Absolutely.
So let's do
Wonderful.
that. Yeah, and you know, again, it's one of those great. Actually, here's a question for you. So once they're done, like once you've made them and you've had your you've kicked all the various people out of your house, sent them home. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Can you freeze them once they're? Is it pretty much better to eat them like?
I have never had the opportunity to have leftovers, so I'll have to look into that, but they go fast.
As I was going to say, there's a bit of a stretch there, but I was just kind of curious about that because yes, it is one of those things where just perfect for like, you know, hanging out, the game, whatever it is that you've got going on, groups of people at your house. And again, this incredible Manitoba turkey product, the beautiful Butterball roast, and you know, this really cool way to kind of prepare it outside of just, you know, having having it as a roast.
Yes.
So, okay, awesome. So we've had our 3 recipes tonight: tasty turkey tidbits, awesome party food, and remember, all of these recipes are available greattastesmb.ca. Let us know how the wrapping turned out for you. We're curious to know. And when we come back, we've been having a wonderful time this season introducing you to the people who bring these incredible products to your plate. And we've got another family we're going to introduce you to here in just a moment on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, filmed on location at Supper Central in Kenaston Commons.